Hi guys, welcome on the channel, and we are going to unbox the integrated smart soldering station from AiXun model T320. This is the option that I have actually decided to buy because I need something new one, better, stronger, faster, efficient, and that's what I think that for the, let me say, 140 euro should be just enough. I think 140 euro, it's not so high, but the power that is offering this soldering station is quite good. Let's open the box. So we see we have nice cover here. Maybe I lost something here. We have some kind of certificate and also the QR code to visit the site and probably install some kind of application where you can actually download the software and you can more monitor the power and everything that actually contains your possibilities of the soldering station. Here we have the holder for the cable, which is quite good because I don't have it on my old station and I have all the time problems with the cable. Really, it was disaster. So this one, it is very nice. So okay, and now come the soldering station alone. We see we have the cover on the display. We have some qiute for the humidity. We don't need it, but we need those things. I really like it. You see from the side, more or less everything is Chinese. You can read some kind of instruction, like the power cable, blah 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 blah, and so on. What I like really is the backside, because you have the grounding connector and you have the power switch, and you have also the fuse and the USB-C port for the communication with the computer. So very nice, very easy. Also the weight is quite okay. When I take the thing and we will weight it, we will start the machine and we will see what is the weight, because it is quite stable. And you see it is 1 kilogram and 125 grams. So it is not only just plastic, which I really like, and it's very much better, and also it has some kind of gummy for the better adhesion. So I really like it. So we have one more box here. We put this on the side and we will check it. So very simple. We have the power cable, that's for sure. We have the spare parts for some kind of, this one. You see, you have the gummy. It is some kind of silicone rubber. I like it. It is very comfortable for the hand and it's very nicely packed. Also this one is quite nice, also with the marking AiXun. I think it is very nice what they did. The connector, it is, I think, maybe even possible to open. I'm not sure. I will not do that on the beginning, but you see the cable. It is nice. It's silicone. I think it should be some kind of better cable, but time will tell what will come. We have also the screw, so maybe we can directly mount it. We have this option here. The screw comes, I guess, on this side, because here we have small teeth, and with this one we can here make the correct position and the adhesion or whatever. So we will close it. It looks like the antenna, but it's not the antenna. We have also grounding cable, which is very good. It will be connected just here on the back side. I think it is very clear. So we have the spare part here, and we have those three lovely pins that we can put inside. I actually have one more because I would like to repair my charging machine, and really I would like to prefer to use that one for the big things. Definitely here you can see you have the small tiny one, then you have the scalpel one, and then you have the tip with the angle. It is all of them. It is model C245. We have the first one S30, K200 and 1030. So I think it is very nice. I wanted to have them in the package. When you will check the link in the description below, you can buy exactly this soldering machine like I did on the AliExpress, and you can also choose if you want them in the package or no. It will be cheaper when you don't, but when you want to buy them solo, they will get much more expensive. The last one I have bought, it is actually this one. It is also C245 and the model is 914. And as I told you, for the feds, when you want to do something with them, here is the fed. I was using it once on the old solder station, so you can see a little bit in here, but it's okay and it's very lovely. I like it. It is exactly for the size of 10 millimeters, so you can very easily play with them and use them. So we can maybe enter this pin inside, and that's it. We can connect the cable, very simple, click, that's it, we are there. On this antenna you can maybe play with this cable. You can put it, I guess, in the middle somewhere, maybe not, I don't know. We will check it. Oh yeah, it's there, and you see it is even a little bit moving, so it's not so bad at the end. And we can this one put inside, and we prepare the power cable. We will open it, we will plug it into the socket, and very simply we are on the 0, it's fine. We enter inside and we are good to go. So you see the machine, everything is connected. You have the cable here, you can play with that. I was preparing the bottle of the water, so when we need, we can a little bit make it cooler, and it should be just fine. How it is everything working, and we will start on the machine. Zack. You see everything is Chinese, very lovely. I don't really play with that. You can see, you can set up the temperature by 5 degrees. I think it is very fine. We have 100 already. Maybe you will hear it. See? It is already there. And you see we have really fast those 350 degrees. It's already there. Oh yeah. You see the power like it's coming up. Very up, very up. I think it's quite good. What do you think? It's like boiling. So you see the power power bar. It's very fast, very nice. We have also this option to maybe change how much we want. I think we have set it up to 280. Now it is still 350. Now it's 280, okay. He's still 280, a little bit making the temperature correct. He's really working very nice. You see, as I go deeper, the power goes up, 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 and it's boiling the water. It is just amazing, even on the 280 degrees. When you want to release it, it will just go down slowly. I think it is very nice. We have some kind of position here. You can also switch it here. And we have the temperature, we have the bar now. Like the temperature is falling up, falling down. So if we go really deep, okay, and we see like it is coming, you see like the temperature is going back. I think it's quite nice. You see the lines, you see the graph, everything, the power consumption. And when we are a little bit stabilized on those 280, we go again to the water, and you see like the power is coming up to 100 watt. We go deep. So nicely done. I think it is the percentage, yeah? 20, 60, 100. It's not even going more. So what do we have here? Yes, it's percentage. It's not actually the watts that it's showing the consumption directly, but it is doing its best, I guess. Generally working on the 130 watts, it should be the 60% or 65 maybe, and the maximum it should be about, let me say, memory, we go 380. You see it's coming much faster up, and if we change the model, we are just down, and it's going the other direction, and it's standing there full power. Okay, and it's holding. I think it's quite good. A little bit stress, but it's quite good. Really, I like it for the money. I really like it. It is very nice machine to play, and definitely it's like 200 times better than my old one. And also I didn't show you, we have this stick, and it is the T45 model AAX, this serial number. I think it is very nice. Okay, so that was the introduction, and now we are going to close the video. So thank you for your time. If you like it, you can get thumbs up and join the channel. Sure, there will be more videos in the time, and also I will show you, I think, when I repair the charging station, like this machine works on the real time, on not only the boiling the water in the Coca-Cola glass. So that's it. Thank you for the watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.